Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the right way of dieting, or rather what happens when your diet consists of nothing but junk foods, or what happens when your diet consists of good clean foods. Taking me as an example, let's say I require about 3000 calories in order for me to maintain my body weight. Now, if my goal is to drop a pound per week, I would obviously stay at a deficit, thereby staying at about 2500 calories on a daily basis in order to see my result, or rather in order to achieve my goal. Now let's say I have two options. Option A is to get my 2500 calories from junk foods like candies, burgers, chocolates, cakes, ice creams, and so on and so forth. Or option B is to get my 2500 calories from a good source of food like lean meat, eggs, egg whites, complex carbohydrates like your quinoa, sweet potato, brown rice, so on and so forth. So what do you think is a better option? At the end of the day, I'm still taking in 2500 calories, so I should lose weight, right? I should see my results. What do you guys think? Here's what happens if you stick to option A, which is having a diet consisting of nothing but junk foods. You may not lose weight, you will feel bloated, you will feel heavy, lazy, nauseous. You probably have problems with your skin, maybe with your hair, have odor issues, probably bad breath. You may even get diseases and so on and so forth. If you stick to option B, which is consuming good, whole, clean foods, you will have no problem losing weight, you will have no bloating issues, you will feel light and energetic. You can go about your day feeling fine and absolutely not nauseous. You won't have any digestion issues, your skin will improve, and if you do have odor and bad breath, that will change as well. Let me be a bit more specific in order to make things clear. Okay, now here we have sweet potato, which is a good food source, or a clean food I would say. And here we have a bottle of Coke, which is obviously a junk food, right? Now let's assume that this is 100 calories and this is 100 calories. Now consuming whichever shouldn't make a difference, right? Because they both are 100 calories. Well, not exactly. Let me explain to you what exactly happens. When I consume sweet potato, being rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals, it will help me clean my system and aid in my digestion. Keep in mind, sweet potato is a low glycemic index complex carbohydrate, which means it will slowly digest, releasing a steady supply of energy to my body in order to go about its activity. Keep in mind, food like this will help you keep your blood sugar levels under control, thereby reducing the risk of you putting on weight or fat. When you're consuming 100 calories of junk food, you're taking in all these preservatives and added substances which could be harmful to your body. These products are also loaded with sugar, which could cause a spike in your blood sugar levels followed by a crash. So therefore you also have all this excess of glucose present in your bloodstream, which could be stored in your body as fat. So at the end of the day, you will feel heavy, lazy, very heavy, and you'll feel very nauseous because of all this junk food you're consuming. So I would prefer that you guys stay on a diet consisting of good whole foods rather than junk foods, because you'll feel a lot better and you will see more results. Regardless whether you're trying to put on size or trying to lose weight, you have to eat good quality food. People say, I'm bulking, I can eat whatever the hell I want to eat. But it doesn't work that way. If you do that, you will put on bad weight and I would say a lot of fat as well. So the best thing to do is, regardless whatever your goals are, to put on size or to lose weight, it's best if you have a good source of your food or a good complex source of food in order for you to reach your goals.